Welcome to the learning graveyard. Where spooky wording ain't so hard. In every dark corner there won't be a quarter, but you'll find a friend named Jack-O-Lern. Jack-O-Lern, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes with Jack-O-Lern, and all your fears will overturn. So come on, little witches and monsters.
Hello, little witches and monsters. I am Jack-O-Lern.
I am Myst, the mad scientist.
In today's episode, Myst, the mad scientist, is going to show us a magical trick powered by science.
Yep, that's right. National Geographic Mega Science Series for our experiments.
Science magic kit? Cool.
Yep, and today's lesson is...
Create elephant toothpaste.
To view our what to get list, check the description below. Adult supervision required. Ta-da! There you have it.
Cool. But what's the science behind the experiment?
Whoa! Wow! Wasn't that incredible?
Yeah. The science behind the experiment. Hydrogen peroxide breaks down into oxygen and water, but that happens very slowly. However, yeast acts as a catalyst, something that speeds up chemical reactions. When the yeast hits the liquid in the bottle, the dish soap helps the released oxygen form foamy bubbles that build up until they burst out the top of the bottle.
Huh?
Wow, that was exciting.
Sure was. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We will see you again soon.
Have a haunted day.
Bye.
Bye.
Jack-O-Lern, oh so weird. Halloween is not so fear. Explore horror themes.
Oh, and you can follow my YouTube channel too. Link is in the description below.